Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Cooking outside today because that's where my wok burner is, and when I'm stir frying I always get all my ingredients out and ready to go because I don't want to have to run inside and get them, and it all happens really quickly. So we're going to heat up the wok. Great, so wok's on and heats up super quickly with this burner, so you can see it's already smoking. So get a good glug of oil in and get the zucchini. So I've got 3 kind of large-ish zucchinis, but if your zucchinis are smaller, you might want to use 4. And I just sliced them into, kind of half a centimetre, so a third of an inch, quarter of an inch thick pieces. And we just want to keep them moving around the pan or around the wok. And the idea here is just to cook them until they're soft, but not too mushy, and brown a little bit, but not too mushy. Okay, so zucchini I've been cooking for stir frying for about 5 minutes, maybe not quite, and they're looking getting pretty brown. And when you feel them, they're still crunchy. Well, not crunchy, but firm. But it's starting to soften a bit, and that's all I want. If you want to cook the zucchini down further, you can. But I like to have it like so it has a bit of a bite, and it's not all mushy. Oh, great. So we'll get some more oil in the wok, and then we're going to cook up our beef. So I'm using just a pound or 500 grams, 450 grams of ground beef, but lamb's really nice with this as well, or chicken. Great, so I'm going to get the garlic in. You could use some chopped chili here and some ginger if you like, but I like to keep it pretty simple and minimalist. So I'm going to use two cloves of garlic, but you could use 1 if you only want a hint. And then it's just all about moving the meat around the pan until it's all broken up and lovely and brown. Great, so when the beef's nice and brown like that, I'm going to get the zucchini back in the pan, just give it a toss through so it can warm up. I'm actually going to turn the heat off. And I'm going to get the sauce in. So I'm using oyster sauce. You could use soy if you don't have oyster sauce, but I quite like the sweetness. So you want like 3 or 4 tablespoons. I put some in, have a little taste, and then add more if you think it needs more saltiness, more taste. And then I'm going to finish it off with a couple of handfuls of cashew nuts and a bunch of basil leaves. Just toss them through at the very end just before we serve. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.